Why would I answer to a speaker implicated in a bribery case on record in a court case? Why would I answer to a member of, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit member pa ito ng House of Representatives, convicted of child abuse, taking IP children doon sa amin sa Davao City, dadalhin sa Manila. Diba? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na merong utang sa aking husband ng 9 million dahil sa isang case? So why would I answer to them? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na ang tatay niya mismo na may screen cap ako? Sabi niya, hindi, kasi baka may mangyari sa'yo dito sa loob. Sabi ko, sir, isa lang naman ang gusto pumatay sa akin, si Martin Romualdez. And I don't think gagawin niya yan dito sa loob ng House of Representatives.